Hey guys, welcome to another Home Lab series video today. In today's video, I'll be showing you DumbKan. So if you essentially want a Kanban kind of project management board, but you just want it very simple, nothing too fancy, you should check out DumbKan. So essentially what I have here is you can specify your project, so you can manage your boards, which is what you have. So the defaults like work and personal. I created a home lab board, and you can see that there are essentially columns. So you got a to do, doing, done. You got tasks that you can move from each one. You can add a new task, adding a new task. And you can essentially move it like how you would do any Kanban board. You can add new columns as well if you need something like needs approval or something like that, and add things as well. So it's a very simple, just Kanban board for you to essentially just do some project management, some tasks with some columns. So nothing too fancy, just kind of what you would just need if you're trying to manage a few tasks at hand. So to install this, if you want to, you can have a server set up. So we'll be going through their documentation and on their GitHub, which we can see here. Dumbware.io essentially came up with a few cool kind of just simple, softwares that you can just run and do things. So DumbKan is one of them. And from here, we will use their Docker file here. Well, not Docker file, but their Docker command to run it essentially. So what we have is on my VM, I have Docker installed. So what we can do is create like a startup script real quick, just so that we have something for reference if we ever have to start it again. We won't be using an env file, so we'll remove that. We're just going to just leave it as default. So you can see it'll run on port 3000. So I also have my Nginx set up so that it will essentially have HTTPS, but if you were to run it, you can essentially run it on port 3000. So let's make this executable, and then we can run it. So it'll pull down the image here real quick, start running. We can see that it is running on 3000. So right here, we can see it's running on 3000. So what we could do is http dumbkan.dragon.local on 3000. And it essentially, dumbkan 2, that's the actually new server. You can see that it appears, and you can see that the default stuff is a work personal, and you can manage boards to create a new one. But you'll have your 3 columns of to do, doing, and done already created for you. But you can update or remove these columns if you want your own custom columns. So that's pretty much it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.